Hello, I hope you are doing great today. Okay, today we are going to learn how to have some cost management in Azure, or how to do some cost management in Azure. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel, share the channel, like the videos, and let us know everything you would like to know about .NET Core, Azure, and Unity 3D. Okay, let's start. So I have created a new dashboard where I am going to have my costs. So you created a new if you create a new dashboard which says like new dashboard demo cost management. Now I put it, or I set it to refresh every 30 minutes. Now I am going to subscriptions. I am going to, let's say, a development subscription. Let's see. Let's say that I want to see top services because. So in here I am seeing the different services and the actual cost. Now I don't want to have that by service, but I want to have it by resource. So I have a little bit more insights on which is the actual resource which is incurring in the costs. And now what I am going to do is I am going to say this. I'm going to put it as private, and now I am going to go to my dashboard, and you will see that now I have this pin cost by resource. It says which subscription, and I can see in here the actual resource that it's incurring in the cost and how much it's and what's the cost it has so far. So I can also click on them and then go to the actual resource. Now this one failed because that's a resource that I was using for testing and I recently deleted, so I do not have access to it. But this is a database that actually exists, and I can go and see if it's actually being utilized or not. Okay, so this one is actually a test database. If I am not using it, I could just backup it and delete it later, or whatever I want to do if I am not using it. Okay, so that's a quick way to manage or to have some good cost management in your Azure portal. Now if I want, I could go to other subscriptions and I could do the same. I can go to, let's say, cost analysis, which is the other way to navigate to that screen. This for the other subscription, and let's say that I want to have the cost by resource. We'll wait for this to finish loading, and I'll pin this. Yeah, it's going to be private and on the same dashboard. And now when I go to that dashboard, I see that I have here the other the cost for the other resource. I want to have them next to each other, and now I have the cost for the two resources, and this information is going to be refreshed every 30 minutes, so we have some good tracking of our costs. Hope you have liked the video. Let us know in the comments things that you would like to know or learn about Azure, .NET Core, and Unity3d. Also, please like it and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe by hitting the channel bell that you will see in the videos, next to the videos or in the channel itself. Thank you very much and have a great day.